Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Zane, Zoe's little baby brother. You can grab your pencil or your marker and let's begin. Like always, I'm going to start with the eyes. We're going to draw two lines on both sides, horizontal lines, and it's going to curve up a little bit. And we're going to do the top of the eyes. So make it nice and round, like this, yeah. And on this side, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to make it nice and round as well. And remember, it doesn't have to be exactly the same size. Then after that, I'm going to draw the iris. So there's one, and there's the other one. And pupils. Yeah, there's one pupil. And let's draw the other pupil. Good. Some light reflections like we always do. I'm going to make two. And I'm going to make another light reflection in this eye and a smaller one. And then I'm going to color the pupils in. There we go. On top of the eyes, I'm going to draw two dark lines and I'm going to color it in as well. It looks like eyelids, just a bit darker. Let's color this in. And there we go. Now for the eyebrows. I'm just going to draw two lines like this. And then I'm going to stop right here because what I want to do is I want one eyebrow to be behind Zane's hair. So I'm going to start here right on top and I'm just going to make a nice round line and make it a bit almost like a drop, a teardrop. And I'm going to continue with this and I'm going to do the same thing, another teardrop. So we're going to draw two of them, and on this side I'm just going to draw another teardrop. So his hair, it looks like dreadlocks. So it's all these teardrop shapes that I'm going to draw next to each other. And I'm going to draw another teardrop right there, and then I'm going to stop. And I'm going to continue with the eyebrows. There's the eyebrow going behind the hair, and here on top we're going to draw another eyebrow. There we go. Right between the eyes, a round nose, and a beautiful little smile with some cheeks curving right there. And let's open the mouth a little bit. There we go. And there's an open mouth. Great. And then just make a little mark here close to that's going to be the jawline. And on this side of the head I'm going to draw another teardrop. There we go. There's a piece of hair. And on this side I'm going to do the same. They don't have to match each other. Just draw basic shapes. So two teardrops. Now below it I'm first going to make two marks for me. About a spot there, and about the same distance away I'm going to make another spot. At the bottom of the eye, at that corner, out. Yeah, just like that. And then we're going to connect this because this is going to be the jaw. There's one. And we're going to take it all the way around and connect it to that one as well. And there's the bottom of the jaw. Now for the ears. Take it to the teardrop like this. Nice round line at the bottom. And there's another one. And there's the two little ears. And I want to draw the little neck right there below the mouth. And there's a small little neck. Let's continue with the hair. I'm going to start on top. I'm going to draw a nice little teardrop like this. And we're going to draw another teardrop. I'm calling it a teardrop, but it's dreads. Because it looks like a teardrop, because it's wider at the bottom. And then maybe here let's draw another dread, let's say dreadlock. And from this side we do the same. So make it nice and round like this, and we can maybe take it back. And we have this opening here, and let's draw another dreadlock right there, and then maybe one here on top and close the head. And there's the hair. Beautiful, perfect. Now, behind the head, the hair at the back, I'm just going to draw maybe two there. And on this side, I'm going to draw three. You can draw two if you want. It doesn't really matter. I'm just going to do three. There we go. And there's three for me. Good, perfect. And now for the shirt. I'm going to start with the shoulder and I'm going to bring it around, and I'm just going to stop right there. From here, I want to draw shoes. So I brought this line down, and where it meets, I'm just going to draw a shoe. So this is the bottom of the shoe. look, yes, because Zane is sitting down. Yeah, we'll just make a few little tracks underneath the shoe, good. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. So let's draw another shoe. There we go. There's another shoe, and maybe just a little tread on his soles of his shoes. There we go. And there's a tread as well. And then right between that, I'm just going to draw a little wave like this, because this is going to be the jersey going up, and this would be the pants. So we're going to draw two curves and maybe a line like that. And there's the legs. Good. Zane is sitting down. On this side, I just want to draw a little line like this. So this is the body and the arm, you see. And then on this side, I'm going to draw a straight line with a curve down, sort of a curve down. Take it around, and look, I'm going to make here, I'm going to take the shirt back, and we're going to do the same thing here. So we're going to draw the little body there. Perfect, beautiful. And now I'm going to draw the finger. So I'm going to draw the index finger. There's an index finger, and then maybe the finger next to it, and maybe a smaller finger next to that. And there's the hand. Perfect. Zane is almost finished. So there's a few stripes on his jersey. There we go. And there's a stripe. And on this side, let's do the same thing. And there we go. And let's connect them. Maybe there's a little, you can do something like that. Doesn't have to be precise. There we go, and there we go. And then on the collar, there's also a little stripe right there. And great, there we go. There's Zane. That was very quick and it was very easy. What do you think? Now you can take your markers, your crayons, your colored pencils, and you can color Zane in. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.